All right, I'm out here back at the cemetery again. This time I'm doing a test flight on the one that crashed. Want to play it safe. No fucking around. Just testing, want to see if I get any issues. Nice and easy. There's a drain out there. Yeah, this is the guy that got attacked by the fucking hawk. And just wanted to get it up in the air to make sure that it's functioning okay. I'm not getting any warnings. Sensors are all good. No compass errors. That's a very good thing. Good picture. Come back over to me. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit boring, but so be it. Go across the street. Yeah, this guy, the second time I flew it, got attacked by a hawk. And I kind of want to make sure that there's nothing mechanically wrong with it. I mean, I did find a dead hawk about 100 feet away from where the drone crashed, but can't really verify that it's actually what happened, even though I know it is. Doesn't seem to be going perfectly straight forward. That's my fault. My bad. Still windy out here. Let's see if there's any hood rats out. 61 feet altitude. So far, so good. Focus over there. Yeah, I'm flying in GPS mode. Kind of a weird sky. It's hazy. I don't have a filter on this lens either. Should probably get one. Had to put a new gimbal on this, and I have to replace the right front arm with the prop on it because where the light is connected, that broke. And I have to, the only way to fix it is to just change it, which means I gotta desolder all the connections, just like 3 motor connections. Then I gotta reroute the antenna wire, blah blah blah. Doesn't look too bad, dude. I haven't had to do that yet, but what have we here? Turkey. I've heard that turkey are so stupid that they can drown in the rain because raindrop hits their head and they look up to see what it is and they choke on the water. I don't know if that's true. Let's see what they do when I get near. They probably don't give a rat's ass. They're too stupid. Got a brain the size of my son. Yep, no fucks given here. Completely indifferent. Gotta get a little altitude. The picture's getting sketchy. Everything looks really good. I think those are hood rats, maybe. Can't tell. Yes, those are hood rats. More no fucks given. They probably couldn't hear the props because the wind is blowing and I'm flying into the wind here. That's that portable deer blind. If you ever need a place to sleep, losing my signal, I can't go down that low. It's actually 36 feet below where I am. Standing right here. There he goes. Off to the woods. Now I'm going to switch into sport mode. Yeah, weird looking sky. Windy up there. I'm gonna come back. At 38 miles an hour. No issues, no warnings, no nothing. Very nice. Good speed. This thing did pretty well for crashing. Yeah, I kind of want to fly it just to kind of eliminate, make sure there was nothing seriously wrong with it. You know, like I always had doubts, well, maybe it was something mechanical that caused it to crash, like maybe a motor, like stopped spinning or something, who knows. That's not the case. It was the fucking bird. It was a hawk. 37%. Yeah, there's like a weird gray tint to everything out here. It almost looks like fog. God, you can hear this fucking loudmouth bitch, which is fucking 500 yards away in the houses over on the other side of the woods, and you hear her bitching at her kid. I'm going to get out here and do a return to home and just make sure that all works. Here, I'll do it.
Go home.
Oh, there's turkeys right next to me. When he comes back, we'll pay him a little visit. Where the hell are they? They're probably under me. I see them, but I gotta come back. I don't have enough battery. Yeah, they're right over there. But they took off. Very nice. Took it right to the limit on that battery there. We're at 13%. All right, I'm happy with that. Flew well. Physically, no issues. So, all I got to do is change that arm when I get it, the prop arm, and I got a new drone again. Ski about.